Absolutely.
South Florida homeowners, you still fighting with your insurance for your roof replacement? Well, we've got your back and a better solution. Transparent, impact-rated roofing that's fully Miami-Dade approved. Whether you're replacing your storm damage or upgrading your outdoor space, we handle it all. Complimentary consultations, 100% financing options, hurricane code, transparent roofs that look amazing. Don't wait for the long claims process that you're not sure about the outcome. Upgrade your home's roof with style, safety, and peace of mind. DM us Roof Help or click the link below and we'll reach out to you.